Founded in 2015, Vaka Intelligent Furniture is a professional manufacturer of ergonomic height-adjustable office and home space furniture, such as electric standing desk, wall-mounted standing desk, and electric height-adjustable bed loft ranges. Vaka is also good at the development of electrical systems, including control boxes, linear actuators, and motors. With rich experience in OEM and ODM, SEM optimization, lean production, and scale effect, Vaka can provide competitive products, and Vaka ergonomic height-adjustable furniture have been well recognized in over 50 countries and regions. Guaranteed quality originates from Taiwan. By adopting Taiwan's original design and exquisite technology, we make the posture more healthy and comfortable when working and studying, and also make the office and home full of infinite imagination. Using 3D laser cutting machines ensures standard cutting speed and quality. Taiwan's standard automatic spraying line guarantees the consistency of spraying thickness and customizes the desired colors for the clients. The integrated machines of assembly and testing can respond to whether the assembly is good by calculating the damping value while assembling the adjustable desk legs. 80% automation equipment not only ensures high quality, high efficiency, and low cost, but also not badly wastes both time and cost for our clients. The basic tenet of Vaka is that quality is the foundation of our product's value and dignity. We are proud of being recognized by our strong partners. Vaka will continuously provide perfect tailored solutions for intelligent office and home furniture.